Stephen Colbert used former President Barack Obama's return to the White House on Tuesday to reminisce on The Late Show. Watch the video below. Earlier in the day, Obama celebrated the 12th anniversary of the Affordable Care Act with President Joe Biden, pointing out that Republicans tried to repeal what we had done and made it harder for Americans to get lower-priced health coverage. And let's face it, it didn't help that when we first rolled out the ACA, the website didn't work, Obama said. That was not one of my happiest moments. The clip made Colbert chuckle. Remember when America's biggest problem was that there was a website that took a while to load, but then when it did you got health care? Colbert said, continuing to laugh. Then the host wept. Watch the darkness descend,